money, get that money, get that money now.
This is Cooking with Geezo, and today we're gonna cook some chicken. We'll throw a little seasoning on it, throw it on the grill. I don't know, man. We gonna get something shaking. Yeah, so we got our chicken breast. We got some jerk chicken seasoning. Well, not jerk chicken, but jerk seasoning. Y'all know what I mean. We got some hot sauce. We got some brown sugar bourbon, baby. We got some black pepper. We might need a little seasoning salt. We'll play it by the ear, buddy. Yeah, so let's get started. Put my gloves on so I can cut my chicken. I cut the chicken so to make it faster to cook. So, I have a small cutting board today, but that's okay. So I'm gonna take my chicken breast. I don't know if you can see, but I'm gonna take my chicken breast and I'm gonna cut it right down the middle. Cut it right down the middle. And don't forget to wash your chicken. I already washed mine, so don't forget to wash your chicken. You might even can cut it, depending on how big your chicken breast is, you might be able to cut it again. So I cut that one in half. Okay. Chop my little corners off. I'll get your little fat off there. So boom. Cut. Then you cut, make a slit so it can cook even faster on the grill. Boom. 2 times. Okay. So this piece, probably gonna get 3 slices out of it. Yep. 3 slices. This one is just going to be 2. So what I'll do now is take my glove off, and then I touched it with, it's okay. So I'm going to season the chicken with the jerk. The jerk. Put a lot of jerk. Just a lot of jerk if you really want jerk chicken. You're gonna put a lot of jerk. You're gonna take your brown sugar, bourbon seasoning. You're gonna put that in there. Get some black pepper. You're gonna throw that in there. All on the top. You're gonna see in a minute. Take your other glove off. Gotta open your hot sauce. Gotta open your hot sauce. Just drizzle your hot sauce in the pan. Yep. I got Texas Pete. Some people prefer Tabasco. I prefer the Texas. So now, after you dumped all your stuff on the top of this, you're gonna just take it and scrunch it around, scrunch it around, scrunch it around, scrunch it around. You'll take it, scrunch it around, scrunch it around, scrunch it around. It's gonna be a mess, but you got this. Hey! So now it's all seasoned up. You see the seasoning everywhere. You see the seasoning everywhere. The hot sauce. So after that, you can take your glove off. Set it to the side for the trash. You get your jerk again, and you just dump. However you like your jerk chicken. So now, I got the jerk chicken seasoned, and now it's time to put these bad boys on the grill. So yeah. So now we outside. Got all my stuff set up. Ready to go. Got the grill on. Got the grill on. Can y'all see the flames under there? Got my grill mat. So now we're gonna put the chicken on. Putting the chicken on. Hear it sizzling? I don't know if you can hear it. Can you hear it? Sizzling. Sizzling. Let that one get up on there. Chicken's on the grill. Gonna flip. So I got a grill mat, but I'm starting to just want to cook on the regular part of the grill like this, you know. So however you want to cook your chicken, that's how you want to cook your chicken. I used to like the grill mat, but now I just want to see some grill marks, you know. That one fell in there. Shit. So we're gonna let this cook a little longer, and we'll get back with you. So yeah, while we wait, I'm gonna drink me a beer. It's a nice day. It's a little cool, but it's a nice day to sit out here and grill something. Yeah, so all this craziness going on with this coronavirus and stuff like that. You know, but don't forget to enjoy yourself. Stay quarantined, but enjoy yourself. You know what I'm saying? You know, cook you something, drink you something. Whatever you like to do, do it. Just with you and your loved one. Not too many people, no. Okay. Let's lift this up. Okay, we still cooking here. Still cooking. Still cooking. So we finished our chicken. It grilled. We got it grilled. Looks like this. Cut a piece open for you so you can see. It's nice and cooked. We got some peppers and some rice, and we're gonna eat up. Peace.